Traders, last day of the week. Markets are up. Let's take a look at the SPY. We're up 0.37% from yesterday's close. Yesterday's session, not much happened. Tight session, chopped around a little bit, around the 291, 292 area. Pretty much it, just consolidating for a big move, I think. If we look at the daily, we're up here. We took a dip from the highs. Looks like we're starting to get bought up again. I think we go over 300, but you never know. We are forming a double top here, which I don't like that, but problem is there's no volume. Next week we got holidays here in the US, 4th of July, everybody's on vacation, a lot of people taking vacation time. Markets have been really slow. On the move this morning, we got STZ. This stock is up over 7%, 83,000 traded pre-market. Moo, up 3%, 902,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. BYND, this stock's been in play for a few weeks now. Every morning you got almost 200,000 traded pre-market, so that's going to be in play. We got a few we can work with here. Nothing that I really like, mostly because of the market's really slow, but we might find something here. We also stream our list of market movers every weekday morning around 8:30 alongside market gauges SPY, DIA, QQQ, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check that out weekday mornings around 8:30. So let's get to it. STZ, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. Alright, we're in. Risky trade because it's up so much today, but I like the way it gapped up here and just been flushing. It's been basing here for a little bit and the market's not doing anything. Spread is big though, so you got to be careful with this. Daily does not look good for a short. Look at that thing. It's been skyrocketing for a bit. But I think it's at a crucial area here, and I think it'll crack this area here and drop. Target on this will be around 196, and stop loss will be about a point 198.50 area. But it is risky because it's up so much. But I think it should have gone already, and it hasn't. It's trying to crack this area here. All right, here we go. It's coming down here. You know what? We're going to try to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out for about, what is that, 70 cents? I probably should have waited, but I'll take 70 cents and go to the next trade. NVDA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're in at 163.21. Daily does not look great for a short because this thing's been uptrending for a while now, about 3 weeks or so. But intraday, gaps up, consolidates here, flushes, and now we got a bear flag forming here. So I think this sucker goes below 163. Target on this will be about 162.50 below there, and stop loss will be over 163.75. But it looks good here. I think this thing will crack the lows here and continue downward. Market is downtrending this morning, so we got tailwind. Here it comes. It's going to crack 163. There we go. See if we can get a few more cents out of this. Like to see it at least down to 162.50. But it has been downtrending for a while, so I don't want to get too greedy with it. NVDA looks good here. I'm actually going to try to cover this right here if I can. Alright, we're out of 100. I'm going to push this up because I don't like staying with 50s here. It's getting bought up here. Alright, I'm going to push this up. Alright, we're out. We're out for less than what I wanted, but that's okay. We took about 35 cents out of it, close to 40. It's been downtrending for a while, so it's probably going to pick up here. The market's starting to wake up a little bit. So I'll take the 35 cents and move on. BABA, we're going to take this for a short right here before it cracks 169. All right, we're in. We're in at 169.37. Daily does not look great for a short because it's been uptrending. But intraday, it opens and it just flushes pretty much all morning. Hit a bottom, then rallied over the 9. We got a nice topping tail here. I think it turns and goes back down below the lows. So target on this one will be, I'm thinking 168.75 area, and stop loss will be around 170. But it looks good here. We'll look at this thing up close here. Looks okay. It's looking good here. I'm going to stay in it as long as the market works out. As soon as the market starts to climb, I'm going to get out of this trade. Market is flat right now. Been flat for about 4 or 5 candles. About 4 candles, just flat. BABA, we just went over to our stop area and one big squeeze. We'll hold off for a little bit. The market isn't really telling me to get out of the trade. It's telling me to start thinking about getting out of the trade. Held through that big squeeze there. But now if you look at the market here, look at this thing. It looks really nice. Looks like it's going to break the bottom here, you know. But I'll analyze it. If it starts to move up, I'm going to come out of this trade. BABA, I'm going to come out of this right here if we can before it breaks out here. All right, we're out. We're out with, what is that? About a 55-cent loser. Yeah, I gave it too many chances here to come down, and if it goes over the top here, it'll blast off. Market's telling me to stay in the trade, but the trade's telling me to get out, so we're out. STZ, I'm going to take this for another short here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. Only got 100 shares. All right, we'll stay with 100 shares here. And if it goes higher, we'll pick up another 50. Second trade on it, we took it earlier. When it dropped from here, we took a little bit and then it continued dropping. Now it's back to where it cracked earlier. I'm thinking it's going to get weak here and return back to support down here. So target on this one is going to be, I like it around 96.50. And we're going to pick up another 50 if it goes over 198. But I like this trade. It's a little risky, but the market's telling me it's going to drop, so we're right back to where it dropped earlier, so I think it drops. We're going to pick up another 50 shares here at the ask if we can. All right. Just picked up another 150 by accident. I wanted to pick up 50 and I picked up 150 by accident. So now we have 250 shares. I don't like that, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll manage it. Stop loss will be over 199 and target will be 197, but it is uptrending here. I don't like that. Market is downtrending though, so we got tailwind here. So more likely than not, this thing will drop here. But I do have a little bit more size than I wanted. STZ. All right, we're moving here. We're near our stop area. We'll see if it reverses here. If it doesn't, we'll come out of it. STZ. We had this little squeeze right back to our stop area, but it got taken right back down. So that's really good. That's a really good sign. I think it has no choice now but to drop. Here it comes. Like to see it at least down to 197.50 because the volume's kind of low, so I don't want to be stuck in this trade. STZ looks good here. We got about 30 cents. I'd like to get at least 50 to see it below 197.50. All right, let's try to get this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Nice. Take that. We're up about, what is that? 50 cents, a little over 50 cents. Just as it broke down. I put my limit order out and boom, it dropped. Nice, I'll take that. I needed that after that loss on BABA. Plus, I had made a mistake on that trade because I had added an extra 150 instead of the 50 that I originally wanted. So that was a mistake. But that's going to be it for me today. I don't see anything else I like. I haven't been trading much this week because, you know, the market's really slow. You know, the market's been really slow. And, you know, it's summertime. You want to enjoy yourself a little bit more. Next week is going to be really slow. You know, next week we have holiday here in the USA, the 4th of July week. So it's going to be a really slow week. A lot of people on vacation. So probably take it easy next week too. But anyways, that's going to be it for us today. We're up 210. Let's take a look at the trades. Just 4 trades. 3 winners and 1 loser. Our biggest winner on STZ and our loser on BABA. Thanks for watching.